You're welcome. Mama Uganda, obusiraamu abooluganda zirefanyetano obusiraamu bukkiriza ezogolerera esooka ekukkiriza kikatonda wowali Allahu akbar, Allahu akbar, Allahu akbar, Allahu akbar. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Ashhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Ashhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Hayya 'alas shalah. Hayya 'alas shalah. Hayya 'alal falah. Hayya 'alal falah. Allahu akbar, Allahu akbar. Mahmudah alladhi wa'adtahu. Allahu akbar, Allahu akbar. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Ashhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Hayya 'alas shalah, hayya 'alal falah. Qad qamatis sholatu, qad qamatis shalah. Allahu akbar, Allahu akbar. Allahu akbar. Subhana rabbiyal a'la wa bihamdihi. Subhana rabbiyal a'la wa bihamdihi. Subhana rabbiyal a'la wa bihamdihi.
For modeling, ready. Lala, yellow. Yellow, yellow. Another winning house. A house we all love. That is yellow. Dipsy. Dipsy, that is color green. Our boy. Then the Dipsy girl. The girl in green. The girl in Dipsy house will have to dress up like that. Ready for school? Dress up like that still. I told you we are having 4 houses. Girls dress up that way. Parents, those of us that have not yet got that kind of shot for our girls, ready. That is how we can dress up as we go for our function. Wow! That is a real man who belongs to that lady from Uganda. Ready for the Mukolo. In Buganda. That is also another gentleman from the Buganda region, or from the central region, I should say. All smart in the council, the suit, a true African lady from the central region. That's where what comes from. From Nigeria. That is how Nigerians dress up. Thank you. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Turn around, turn around. That is our Nigerian lady. We can choose to dress up as we head out for all occasions. This is an attire for all seasons. That's our lady. Lady Jeffrey. Fashion. And African culture fashion. Up in the changes and down with some of the material. Wow, very smart. West, we go to the west. Here comes our western gentleman. Heading for church, heading for a function. Our western lady dressed up in a casuti. I bet it's all smart. Suits are kind of our office lady. Our office lady. Ready for work, ladies. If you want to go for work, hey, come to her. She'll design you for the day. Another office lady, very smart. Turn around, baby. Let them see you. Wow. Very serious. Let them look around aside. I don't think there's anyone that doesn't wish to have that day come in their entire life. Our angels, turn around, let the parents see you. Turn, turn, turn. Yes, good babies. Open the bride. Wow. Beautiful bride. African friends. Very sweet. T-shirt. When you're going out, what you wear that is not open, that is not India. That's our Indian man. Very serious men. Now we have our men. The Karimajam. Not from Karimaja, the Karimajam ladies. The ladies. That is how we can those we call those people with the titles of Nalo or Salo, those are our children. Masai man, our Masai man. Wanna go to the beach? Dress up like that. Then you
you.